Njengoba izindlela zokwelapha idlozi ziziningi kangaka emhlabeni, umuntu nomuntu kubalulekile ukuthi azikhethele indlela yakhe ayizwayo ngaphakathi, ngoba leyo ndlela iyona ezomsiza. Ngeke sonke silashwe ngendlela efanayo, ngeke sonke futhi silashwe into eyodwa. Kodwa kumele kube khona inkululeko in terms of choosing what aligns with you, what resonates with you as a person. And we need not judge one another when it comes to these things, because we all have different aspects of our spiritual journeys. There are no two spiritual journeys that are the same. Even if people are the twins, but you will find ukuthi the other person will have another path which is different to the path of the other twin. We as a people, we need to learn to listen to ourselves, because your intuition is speaking to you. You must follow the path that resonates with you and your guides. When choosing a path that's going to work for you, listen to yourself, understand yourself as a spiritual being. Understand that I am a spirit and I have a soul. The journey of my soul is what needs to lead me in my spiritual journey.